Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a video on an update to the Google Home here in the UK. You can now call people. So I'm going to get this set up on the speaker in my office, on the speaker I've got downstairs, and I'm going to call the missus, see what it's like, check out the audio quality and things like that. I'll also show you how to get this set up. So it shouldn't be a long video today. Hopefully you enjoy it, and if you've got a Google Home you can get this set up and try it out yourself. Okay, just before I get started, just want to point out I'm getting this set up and I'm using an iPhone. I believe if you've got an Android device it's even easier than this, and it's dead easy anyway. But also just point out, make sure you've got the latest version of the Google Home app and the Google Assistant app, and the firmware on your Google speakers are up to date. Okay, so when you're in the app, just to check you got the settings right, you come in and you click on your hamburger menu, you go to more settings, and then you go to your list of devices and you choose which speaker you want to set up. In this instance I'm going to pick my office speaker. And what you want to check is where it says personal results, that is set to it's toggled to on, like it is in this case. Okay, so I've got it set up. I'm going to have a go at calling. I'm going to call my wife. Hey Google, call Rosamond.
Calling Rosamond. iPhone.
Check this out, blue lights.
Hello?
You alright?
Stuart, why are you ringing me from upstairs?
Well, I'm trying out the Google Home speaker calling thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's clever.
Yeah, the audio is really clear. What's it like for you?
Yeah, it's really clear. I thought you were on your phone.
No, I'm on my Google Home. So, did my number show up when I called?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
wicked. So I've got that set up right then, yeah. So you can now call off the Google Home speakers.
Wow, that's really cool.
It is, isn't it? So I'm making a video about it.
Oh, okay. I thought you were ringing for a cup of tea.
I'll have a cup of tea as well then. Anyway, I'm going to go.
Okay then, babe.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye. Hey Google, hang up. Somehow I've ended up making a tea, which I'm not happy about. Okay, final thoughts on this. I think it's really cool. It's just come out for the UK, and I believe it's been in the US for a while, as always, but it's here in the UK and it's great, and I'm going to be making good use of it. Audio quality, superb, easy to get set up. In fact, you pretty much have to do nothing. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you've got a Google Home speaker, get it set up yourself and leave a comment below on this video to let me know how you find it. Is it good for you also? I'll be really interested in finding out. And if you've enjoyed this, please check out my other videos and like and subscribe, because I really appreciate it. Cheers guys.